Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about something important. How beginners can start an online business and why. Shopify can be a great place to begin. A lot of people today are thinking about making money online, but they feel confused. There is so much information, so many different platforms, and it's hard to understand what actually works. When I first started learning about online business, I had the same problem. I didn't know where to begin, and everything felt complicated. But over time, I realized that the most important thing is not knowing everything at starting. Shopify is one of those tools that makes the process easier. It allows you to create your own online store without needing advanced technical skills. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need a big team. You just need the desire to try and keep moving forward. One thing I like about Shopify is that it simplifies many things. Instead of worrying about technical problems, you can focus on your idea and your products. And this is very important for beginners, because when something is too complicated, most people quit before they even start. Another important thing is that you can build your business step by step. You don't need everything to be perfect. You can start small, learn as you go, and improve over time. Many people think they need a perfect plan before starting, but in reality, action creates clarity. The more you do, the more you understand. Online business is not about quick money. It's about building something gradually. And yes, it takes time. But the advantage is that you are building something for yourself. Something that can grow and become a real source of income in the future. Another reason why Shopify is good for beginners is flexibility. You can choose what you want to sell. You can test different ideas. You can change direction if something doesn't work. This gives you freedom. And in today's world, having that kind of freedom is very valuable. Of course, there will be challenges. You might feel stuck sometimes. You might not see results immediately, but that's part of the process. Every person who has built something successful has gone through this stage. The difference is that they didn't quit. So if you're thinking about starting your online business, don't overthink it. You don't need everything figured out. You just need to begin. And platforms like Shopify make that first step much easier. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about online business, motivation, and personal growth, subscribe to the channel.